ika-9 na Senior High School Commencement Exercises matagumpay na idinaos ng NCF Basic Education Department ngayong ika-7 ng Abril.
Formal na ginanap ngayong ika-7 ng Abril ang ika-9 na seremonya ng pagtatapos ng mga mag-aaral ng Senior High School sa Basic Education Department ng NCF. Ito ay dinaluhan ng administrasyon ng nasabing institusyon na pinapangunahan ni Ginoong Mario Villanueva, Pangulo ng NCF. Dr. Nora Elizabeth Maniquez, Vice President for Academic Affairs, at Ginoong Alnoel Asis, AVP for BED Principal. Dumalo rin sa nasabing pagdiriwang ang teaching at non-teaching staff ng departamento at ang mga pamilya ng mga mag-aaral na magsisipagtapos. Pinasinayaan ni Ms. Francia Gomez, Assistant Principal for Senior High School, ang programa na sinundan naman ng isang mensahe mula sa overall top 1 ng Batch 2026 na si Binibining Deity Lorraine Labordo. Ani niya,
behind the smiles we see inside the classroom, each of us carries different weight. Some students struggle financially, some with their mental health, some are experiencing domestic problems, some live under constant academic pressure, and many other possible hindrances. Yet, we still face them head-on, with courage and perseverance. This reminds us that we are true champions, because no matter what your academic standing is, at the end of the day, we are all just students, equally giving it our best to lift our own boulders in life.
nagbigay rin ng isang espesyal na mensahe ang Pangulo ng institusyon para sa mga mag-aaral na magsisipagtapos na sa senior high school.
For our graduates, being character-driven in faith is your most vital asset. The world outside these walls will constantly test your determination. It will offer you shortcuts and tempt you to compromise your principles for the sake of success. But I challenge you to view your faith not as a private belief, but as a public declaration of your values. Let your integrity be the signature of your work and the foundation of your reputation.
Naging laman ng mensahe ni Attorney Carlo Villanueva Jr., Senior Vice President ng institusyon at panauhing pandangal ng programa, na ang pinakaimportanteng pundasyon ng buhay ay ang karakter ng tao dahil ang katalinuhan ay nagtataglay ng kapangyarihan at kakayahan, subalit ang karakter ng tao ang siyang nagbibigay gabay kung paano ito gamitin. Isang makabuluhang mensahe rin ang ibinigay ni Dr. Ramil Pederio, Public Schools District Supervisor ng lungsod sa mga mag-aaral ng NCF Senior High School.
That toga you are wearing is more than just a fabric. It is a symbol of your resilience. Have you realized? More than 13 years of schooling, from kindergarten, elementary, junior, high school, and now you are here. You earned that through late nights, exhausting exams, and immense growth, personal growth. And of course, that includes your Netflix, your selfies, and your TikToks. Diba? So think of it as armor given from your perseverance and unwavering support of those who believe in you. And today is a defining milestone to all of you, dear graduates. Your diplomas are the first concrete proofs of your competence. You are not just students finishing a curriculum, but you are the next generation of Filipino leaders trained in the home of the champions.
Sabay-sabay na inawit ng mga nagsipagtapos ang kanilang graduation song at NCF hymn, dahilan upang maging emosyonal ang pagtatapos ng programa. Nagtapos ang programa sa isang makasaysayang recessional, hudyat ng panibagong yugto sa buhay ng mga bagong graduate.
Sa buong puwersa ng The Green and Gold, isang malaking pagbati sa lahat ng mga nagsipagtapos. Binabati rin namin lahat ng mga nagsipagtapos na editorial board and staff ng The Green and Gold. Kami ay nagagalak na makasama kayo ng ilang buwan. Ako, si Amy Pang, real and bold, para sa malaya at makatotohanang pamamahayag.